A tree in a Florida swamp. Egret chicks compete for food and attention from mom. Down below, hungry gators gather. Where there are wobbly chicks, there's the promise of manna falling from heaven. The egrets seem as oblivious to the gators as the gators seem obsessed with the egrets. It looks like a standoff until a Darwinian melodrama plays itself out in a nest above. Macabre barely describes this egret version of Lord of the Flies. In a bid for survival, two stronger chicks maul a weaker sibling. With the runt out of the way, there'll be more food for the other two. Down below, the alligators watch this grisly pageant eagerly. The bigger siblings stab and bludgeon the little one until he succumbs. Then the gators below make like NBA centers leaping for a rebound at playoff time. It may seem mean to humans, but it truly is survival of the fittest.